Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Pura 7D, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this device. So, before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, shine on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Next, if you have some kind of case on your device, you will need to take it off. There we go. And the tray is at the bottom of the phone. Now, you'll find a couple different insert areas, or it looks like a couple insert areas, and a disgusting scratch on here. That's unfortunate. So you want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout right here, the one that is closer to the edge. Now this tool, yep, it's too big, which is what she said. And I just dropped the other one. Bear with me while I go finding it. There we go, got it. So this one is a bit thinner, should work better. And yep, so you want to push it in there. And you can see that the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards, so one on either side. You can occupy both of these trays or just one. If you're planning to use one, doesn't really matter which one. Now, one thing that I will also mention is Huawei before was using something called nano memory as SD card expansion. I don't know if this is still a case, if they're still utilizing it. Prior, it was labeled as NM. Here you can kind of see SIM, right? Yep, there we go. So you can see SIM 1. There is no label whatsoever on the other side, so for all I know, it might actually also take the nano memory, which is the same size as the SIM card. If you have nano memory, you can just plop it in, see if it works. If it doesn't, obviously there's your answer. Now, anyway, I'm gonna place my SIM card right here. Come on. You wanna make sure that the card is clipped in all the way, so it should be laying flat on a tray, and if you flip it over, it should not be falling out. From there, insert it back into your device, and your SIM card should start working right away. Now there is one little caveat which you are about to see. Use fingerprint. Bam! It was saying use fingerprint, English, and now Huawei just decided to give you this, which I'll give you the same thing. Damn, it's so annoying. So, number one, we're gonna put in our PIN, and for the people that just got their phone changed into a language that they don't speak or understand, don't worry, I understand your frustrations because the setup is designed to set up your device and SIM card to give you mobile data and call capability, not to change the language. Learn that shit, Huawei. Anyway, we're gonna unlock our device. So for the people that don't know the language right now, I'm gonna quickly guide you on changing your language back to English as or whatever other language you want to, as that was the language that you have chosen throughout the setup, which apparently doesn't matter when you insert the SIM card. Now, Huawei, I guess, just considers that there is no such a thing as being an exchange student or traveling and wanting to maybe not just break your bank by using roaming. So, for those people, we're going to open up settings, which is this little gear icon right over here. And we want to navigate all the way to the bottom to system and update, which is the second last option with, again, gear icon, though now it's blue. Right here, we're going to select third option from the top, so 1, 2, 3. And then the first one, which is language and region, and you want to select add language, which is presumably the second option. Now, with that being said, I think Huawei, for some stupid reason, because changing the language is already stupid enough, but they don't stop there. They also, if I'm correct, remove the languages as apparent as I had before, English. It's gone from the list for some reason. So here, if you have more than the 2 blue texts, so the language that is selected and add language below that, then select the last option that is blue. That will be basically add language. And next, obviously you want to find your desired language. I will be selecting English again, and it will pop up with this little pop up asking you if you want to change to the selected language right now. Now, I'll mention this. The change option is right here on the right side if the language and all the options are on the opposite side. So if you're using English and anything like that, the language is written from left to right, obviously, as majority of the languages are. And hence the option will be, the accept option will be on the right side, as you'd typically see it. But if you decide to, if your device is now being changed into a language like, I believe some kind of Arabic languages, which are being written from left to right, or right to left, so the opposite, all the options on the phone also appear the other way around. So like the text is being written right here, it goes obviously to this direction, and same goes with the options. So they changed it, one will be on the other side. So I just wanted to clarify this, as it might be a bit confusing to people that are using said languages. Now, once you change it, obviously, there you go. The problem was solved. A problem that should never have existed to begin with. It doesn't exist on any other phone. But with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.